Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Robinhood Gold Card. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you are not already signed in, enter your login details and access your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, you will be ready to begin the activation process. Next, look at the navigation menu in the app. Depending on your app version, you should find the spending section or the credit card section. In many cases, you can access this area by tapping the card icon located in the bottom menu of the app. Tap on it to continue. After entering the card section, look for a notification, message, or image displaying your new Robinhood Gold Card. Robinhood usually provides an activation prompt when a new card is available. Tap the Activate Card option to proceed. The app will then guide you through the activation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. During this step, you may be asked to verify certain account information for security purposes. Once verification is complete, you will be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be used when making purchases at stores that require PIN verification. After successfully setting your PIN, your Robinhood Gold Card will be activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.